Our online criminal justice associate program consists of 64 total hours. That is 16 hours of general education courses, your Englishes, your maths, your histories, those kind of things. And then we have 33 core courses that deal in all three levels of criminal justice, corrections, law enforcement, and the court system. And then we have 15 hours of electives that vary if students were interested in maybe taking more policing or more corrections, more probation, parole, that kind of thing. We have a standard rotation, so certain courses are offered in the spring, certain offers in the fall, and then we offer summer classes for students who are interested in kind of getting a jump start on that fall semester. They vary from 8-week classes to 16-week online classes. So some students, depending on if they're full-time students or they're working, will determine whether or not they need a longer period of time to finish the coursework, or they can do it in a shorter period of time. Well, I think criminal justice in and of itself requires a lot of dedication, a passion for the subject matter. I don't think our program is any different in the sense of the need to be dedicated, to be structured, to be organized. Obviously, there's things that are due at certain times, and students need to be prepared to be able to complete their assignments on time, especially when they get into this 8-week rotation. As you're taking a whole semester, 16 weeks, and cutting it in half, yet you're not cutting the workload in half. So, dedication. We have students from all walks, literally. We have students straight out of high school. We have students that are in the professional field in corrections or policing. We have, because we service a tremendous amount of the military personnel, we've got about 4 or 5 bases within, a stone's throw of our school. We have students from all over. So the best bet kind of goes back to the idea that you need to be structured and focused, and you need to be dedicated. But we entertain and have all kinds of students, traditional and non-traditional. Our online degree in criminal justice technology is unique, I know at least within the state of Florida, in that we have our gen ed, our core courses. And then in that 15-hour of electives, we have created the ability for a student to get a certificate with those 15 hours in fire science, to get a certificate in homeland security, to get a certificate in emergency management, to get a certificate in crime scene technician. Obviously, they can't get all of those within that 15 hours, but they certainly have the ability to get one of those. So they're walking out not only with an AS degree in criminal justice technology, but they can also walk out with a certificate in a related field that will make them more marketable. I think when they're looking for programs in general, and we're unique in this way too, I believe all of our professors have had their boots on the ground. We are not strictly book-read academics, although we are all terminally degreed. We have been police officers or lawyers or correctional officers. And so we bring to the class a perspective, not only the academic side, but kind of what you need to really know to be able to perform these duties when you become a professional in the criminal justice field.